sprinkler head popped out. Get that back in there.
So today, Kyle and I are going to come dive this bridge here. It's in Peshtigo, Wisconsin, downtown area right behind me here. And we're just going to come down here. Visibility is pretty decent. We're going to stay in the sunlight here. We will bring our flashlights though, and we'll see if we can get any trash out of here. Maybe some treasures. We got the dam right behind me over here. We're going to stay away from this area. The dam gates are closed for the most part, just barely coming through there. We're going to stay on this side over here and stay away from any current. Here in Peshtigo, there was a huge fire in 1871. Pretty much the whole city burnt down to ashes. Through that time, they rebuilt the city back up. A lot of lives lost, which is really bad, but they're back today, they're back and running, and it's a really awesome town.
I just put this in here and I just walked by and it turned on. Let's see if we can get it working. I doubt it. Get in there. You gotta turn it or something? It ain't stayed in there.
We tried. So today we have Ashton from Peshtigo. He watches my videos and he's here to watch us dive. And
we don't really go over here. Like, I usually just swim at the beach with goggles and like find a bunch of lures.
Awesome.
He's helping clean up the rivers too, which is awesome. Good job, man. Thank you.
Fascinated by that thing. That's pretty cool.
What are you doing?
We clean up garbage.
Oh, look who's forgetful today. Not me. Kyle's ready to go. I'm ready to go. Let's go. So I don't want to waste my air. So I'm just kind of swimming it backwards to the bridge over here. So I can use that air for finding cool stuff. Yeah.
Howdy. How you doing? Just clean up the river. Yeah. I just realized that my rope is not attached to my anchor here. That would not be good if there's current. My kayak would be down that way. Oh yeah. I don't need this. Simple knot. Hey, found an alternator. Sweet. That was the second time I've ever found an alternator. One over by Lake Michigan. Find anything? Really? Huh. I'm just gonna start heading back that way, upriver. Stay in the middle or where I can see. There's a boat coming this way. I wonder what they want. I think they might know me. Ah, I found an alternator. Nice day for a boat ride. Yeah. Kyle's not a diver, he's a mermaid. You should get your gear on, man. Get out here with us. Yeah, we got time to boat. You got time to dive. Oh, you got a belt. I got a car belt. You got an actual belt.
Yeah.
Oh, just keep looking. That's how you find stuff. There's real stuff. Yeah. You finding stuff? Cause I am. Hey Kyle, I'm gonna start heading back that way. Look at that.
Yeah, we were all just on today.
Yeah.
Wow.
Lots of stuff, huh? Pretty fun. You got some trash?
Yeah, I just pulled it up.
Awesome, good job, man. Yeah. On a scooter. Sweet. And glasses. Yeah. All these cool treasures. There we go. You got it? What do you got?
I got nothing.
Oh,
I got nothing.
you get as much as I got?
No.
Where's your board at? Oh,
Guys, let it go.
Every day, me and my friends always ride up here with our scooters.
it was underneath the side over here.
We just finished our dive in the Peshtigo River here, and we had Asher over here that's collecting stuff. A bottle, got some metal stuff with his magnet, got this can he got floating. Good job, man. And let's see what Kyle got over here. Some bottles, got this leash. He was afraid that something would be on the end of it. Thank God there wasn't. A belt, and then something here for some kind of for tubing or something. Mossy oak sweatshirt. This old hat here. Anything else under there? All right. So this is what I found over here. Plastic. Just whatever this is, big porcelain, plastic. Jug, some aluminum cans. I got a cool Mountain Dew can here, and there's an old Milwaukee one right here, old one. A sole from a boot or shoe, whatever that is. Some glass. A C.L. Hansen bottle, a LaSalle bottle, whatever that is. Looks like some kind of old bowl here. Got the sweet sign, stop ahead. Plastic, that. Got an old PV, an alternator, a belt, whatever this is. Like a wooden and metal wheel here. Got that back there. Found this here at the boat launch. Found this at the boat launch. Nice rod holder. This hat. Pretty good dive. Didn't use a full tank of air, but pretty close. Can't wait to get back in there someday and find some more cool stuff. But all in all, it's a good dive. Nice spending time with Kyle over here, with Asher. Came on down to help out, so it's pretty cool.